Here we go. Hey guys, so check out my wreath, but I want to put up my Valentine's Day inflatables. I'm thinking I'm going to put the frog guy here and the heart puppy here, and then the Mickey's in the middle. I put this one strand of lights here. It's just a plain one, and it also was kind of under the porch, and it's also solar powered, so I don't know if it's going to be working tonight. And then I'll set up the gemmy lights with like a Valentine's Day theme. But yeah, so hopefully these guys still work. So let me test that out. All right, look. So the timer wasn't on, so this guy, he is working. He is our frog prince. We've had him for about 2 Valentine's Day already. We got these on yardinflatables.com, and so far they lasted. I mean, they're small, but super cute. Let me try to plug in the puppy and make sure he works. There we go. Oh, he turned on. Yeah. Alright, so these guys look like they're working, so I'm going to set them up, and then I'm going to bring up the Mickey and the Minnie. Alright, so I didn't take off the red part of the ribbon. Oh, there's a train. But yeah, I'm going to put a heart right here. A big one that I made from styrofoam. And we'll see how that looks. Alright, I got Mickey and Minnie here ready to get plugged in. So let me do that. Here we go. Oh, I think... Wait, are they on the wrong side? Oh no, they're right. So Minnie right here. And Mickey right here. There we go. Look how cute. Alright, so let me stake these down, and then I'll show you the result. Alright guys, here's what I have so far. But I don't know what's going on with this guy. He is not inflating all the way. And I'm not sure why. I checked the zipper. Look at him, he looks depressed. Let me check him for holes. Well guys, I can't find any holes. And so I don't know what's wrong with him. I guess I'm gonna have to take him out. Maybe his motor is just not very efficient anymore. But that's kind of sad. But anyway, I guess I'll just leave him there for now. But this is what I have so far. I'm going to turn on the lights. It's drizzling a little bit. And then you put the boxes away. Alright, so this is what we have so far. For our Valentine's display, you can see the gemmy lights are on. And we have a projector going with the hearts. And of course the points of lights in red. Over here you can see the inflatables. So we have the frog prince, Minnie, Mickey, and I added Dory instead of the bear or the dog, because it was just looking pitiful. And I added this to make it Valentine's Day. Well, she doesn't really have a, you know, a designation. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And then I put a heart over here, you know, like where the tree was, or the little Christmas tree. So, you know, to make it look like it's Valentine's Day. And I don't have to redo the garage. So let me know what you guys think of the Dory. And so far what we have. You can see there my little light. My little pixel light. I put it on a heart. See it spinning around. And I've made these little hearts. They're like conversation hearts. And I made this wreath. So proud of it. Alright guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And Bye.